To use your Banco Sabadell credit card effectively, start by understanding the basics of credit card usage. First, ensure you have received your credit card and have signed it on the back to activate it for use. If you have not already, you should also receive a personal identification number or PIN, which is crucial for making transactions. Next, familiarize yourself with the card's features, such as the credit limit, interest rate, and any associated fees. Banco Sabadell provides its customers with an app and online banking services where you can monitor your account activity, check your balance, and manage your credit card settings. To make a purchase, simply present your credit card to the merchant, who will then process the transaction. You may be asked to enter your PIN or provide a signature, depending on the type of transaction and the merchant's policies. For online transactions, you will typically need to enter your card number, expiration date, and security code, which is usually found on the back of the card. It is essential to keep your credit card information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. Never share your PIN or security code with anyone, and avoid using public computers or unsecured networks for online transactions. Regularly review your account statements to detect any suspicious activity and report it immediately to Banco Sabadell's customer service. To pay your credit card bill, you can use the Banco Sabadell app, online banking, or visit a branch in person. It is crucial to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Additionally, take advantage of the rewards and benefits associated with your credit card, such as cashback, travel points, or insurance coverage. Always read the terms and conditions to understand how to earn and redeem these rewards. Finally, if you encounter any issues with your credit card or have questions, do not hesitate to contact Banco Sabadell's customer support. They are available to assist you with any inquiries or concerns you may have, providing you with a seamless and secure credit card experience.